Hey everyone, whether you're managing daily tasks, planning a project, or keeping track of a shopping list, checklists are one of the most useful features in Microsoft OneNote. They help you stay organized and easily see what you've completed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage checklists in OneNote step by step, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in if necessary. Navigate to the Notebook section and page where you want to create your checklist. If needed, create a new page to keep your tasks organized. Next, click anywhere on the page and type each task on its own line. For example, you might list items for a project, meeting agenda, grocery list, or daily to-do list. Now select the tasks you've typed, then go to the Home tab and click the To-Do tag button. OneNote will automatically add a checkbox beside each selected line, turning your list into a checklist. As you finish each task, simply click its checkbox to mark it as completed. Yeah, it's an easy way to track your progress without deleting anything from the list. You can rearrange tasks by cutting, pasting, or moving text around the page. It's also helpful to group related tasks under headings or create separate pages for different projects to keep everything organized. I mean, a little organization goes a long way. If you use to-do tags regularly, OneNote makes it easier to locate important tasks later. So when you combine tags with descriptive page titles and the search feature, finding your checklists becomes much faster. And that's how to create checklists in Microsoft OneNote. It's a simple feature that can help you stay organized, track your progress, and manage tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.